Well, hello, chefs. Welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today, I will be making some garlic butter chicken. So let's check out the ingredients. For my ingredients, I have some onion powder, some ground ginger. You can also use some fresh ginger, some garlic powder, some paprika, some Tony Cheshire Creole dry seasoning, some less sodium soy sauce. You can use any soy sauce of your choice. I have some raw and unfiltered honey, some agave, green onions. I have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, some white distilled vinegar. So let's prep everything. I'm finely chopping about 4 green onions. I also have a few garlic cloves. So I've soaked the chicken breast in a water and vinegar solution, then rinse under cool running water. I'm cutting each chicken breast in half. I would recommend cutting the chicken breast into smaller pieces. This is optional, but I'm using the tip of my knife to add a few slits to my chicken breast.
Maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe. I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right.
I'm covering the chicken breast with some paprika. I'm doing the same with some onion powder. And the same with the garlic powder. I'm lightly sprinkling some Tony Cheshire. Next, I'm adding 2 to 3 garlic cloves to the chicken. You can use a grater, a chopper, and even a garlic press. Let's rub all the dry seasonings and garlic onto each piece of chicken breast. I'm also going to add a few pieces of the chopped green onions. Once I'm done, I'm going to let the chicken marinate for a few minutes. Whilst the chicken is marinating, I'm going to prepare my sauce. I'm adding the remainder of my garlic cloves into my mini chopper. I'm preheating 1 teaspoon of olive oil on medium heat. You can use any oil of your choice. And I'm melting 1 teaspoon of butter, and you can choose any butter of your choice. So my butter has melted, so now I'm ready to add my marinated pieces of chicken breast. I'm going to allow them to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes until they are slightly brown on both sides while flipping them occasionally.
Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the pain, free from the pain, free from the pain. A night off, a night off.
While the chicken breast is cooking, I'm going to prepare my sauce. I'm adding some soy sauce to my bowl, some chicken broth, about half a cup of honey mixed with some agave to give me half a cup, one teaspoon of apple cider. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Then I'm going to mix all my ingredients. I'm also mixing in about 1/3 cup of flour. My chicken is ready, so I'm going to add the sauce mixture. I'm making sure to cover both sides of the chicken with that sauce, and I'm also reducing the heat so it doesn't cook too fast. Not only the sauce is thickening, but the chicken also stays moist. I'm going to let it continue to infuse that garlic honey sauce. I'm also adding a few pieces of my green onions. I'm giving it a quick stir. So my chicken is just about done with a nice and thick sauce. It came out absolutely delicious. Check it out, y'all. It has that beautiful golden color to it. So I served the chicken with some white rice. I wish you guys were here. I have enough for everyone. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.